Welcome to the Office of Research, Innovation, and Impact at the University of Arizona, where cutting-edge discovery is transforming our world. As a top-ranking public university with close to $1 billion in annual research expenditures, we are pushing the boundaries of knowledge and innovation. Our bold and forward-thinking researchers are driven to address society's most complex and pressing challenges. We don't just stop at discoveries. We translate and apply them to make a tangible difference in the everyday lives of real people. At U Arizona, we are preparing for a future where the seamless integration of digital, physical, and biological realms is the norm, where curiosity and determination push innovation forward, and where we are always reaching far beyond simply gazing at the stars. Our groundbreaking space endeavors, like exploring the origins of our universe through the OSIRIS-REx asteroid sample collection and return mission, stretch beyond the confines of our planet. And researchers across the university are working together to pioneer therapeutics and technologies that will prevent, treat, and cure diseases that affect our loved ones and help us all live longer, healthier lives. We empower our students to engage in hands-on research and learning experiences that help them develop adaptability and hone entrepreneurial thinking, preparing them to thrive in an ever-evolving workforce. But our impact extends well beyond the boundaries of our campus. An unwavering commitment to our land-grant mission means that it is our responsibility and privilege to advance economic development, strengthen our communities, and improve the quality of life in Arizona and beyond. Whether by providing a full suite of support services to our vibrant community of researchers, by forging strategic partnerships with companies or industry, or by engaging with our community through educational outreach programs, we ensure that University of Arizona Research is paving the way for a brighter future for all. Discover a world where curiosity, determination, and optimism thrive. Discover research, innovation, and impact at the University of Arizona.